I hope you all are fine. Today's video is about SOP, means Statement of Purpose. Now Yukti will continue the video.
Okay, so this topic is very much important. Wants to go in Canada for study purpose.
So we will discuss in detail about SOP. We will cover first is introduction, then second is,
Previous studies.
then third is gap explanation,
Fourth is objectives for further studies.
then fifth is why to study overseas,
Sixth is why I selected Canada.
seventh is very important topic. It is why I finalize college.
And eighth one is why I decided to pursue OTA PTA program.
The ninth is financial ability, which is very important.
Tenth, that is career opportunities.
Then 11th is future prospects and plans.
Lastly, the conclusion.
So these all topics cover the whole SOP, and visa officer most probably will give you your student visa. So keep watching our video. Let's get
Started. Firstly, we start with introduction. As you can see on the screen, you have to write a name, country name, and course name. In this example, we have taken OTA PTA course. In first para, you have to show your interest regarding physiotherapy and occupational therapy since childhood, and you aren't interested in medicine and surgery. As you can see, first para on the screen.
now. In the second para, we are discussing previous studies, in which you have to show your previous grades and academic record. And you have to show your interest in physical education in your 10th or 12th standard. You have to show your interest in biology in your plus 1 and plus 2. If you scored better in your biology, you can mention over here. Then you have to discuss something regarding alternative health therapies. You have to fill years and percentage according your academic history.
As on a third point, we discuss about gap explanation and language proficiencies. In this, you have to discuss regarding your IELTS preparation and your IELTS result. If you put your file under SDS category, you can mention your band score not less than 6 in any module. If you are working, you have to mention your workplace name. Then you have to add one para as you can see on the screen. Then you have to mention your college name from where you got your offer letter.
Or on the fourth point, you have to show objectives for undertaking further studies. In this para, as you can see on the screen, you have to mention about childhood and your motivation in occupational therapy and physiotherapy. As this is SOP of Bachelor of Physiotherapy student, so we haven't mentioned about physiotherapy motivation. And you have to mention about work areas of that field. You can use this para on the screen.
On the fifth point, you have to mention why to study from overseas, not from India. In this para, you have to narrate Indian education system. In addition, you can add some additional point from this para.
Sixth is why I selected Canada for my further studies. In this para, you should add some good points of Canadian education system and life of Canada. More points you can add from the para on the screen.
Next is reason for finalizing college for higher studies. In this, you must add some positive points of your future course in Canada. Along with this, you should add benefits of choosing this college, as you see here.
And eighth is the same as Yukti has discussed earlier. You can pause the video and you can use this para.
Ninth one is financial ability. In this, you have to show parents' income as per ITR. Additionally, you must show first year tuition fee payments and GIC, and show your strong relation with your family members. You show your respect to Indian culture and attachment with festivals.
Now, on the 10th point, we see career opportunities. Means you have to show your placements after completion of your study. Next, on the second last point, we see future prospects and plans, in which we have to show we will return back to India after finishing Canadian education. For that, we should discuss current job situation of Indian market and outstanding explanation of India as you can see on the screen.
Lastly, the conclusion. Conclusion contains your whole SOP summary briefly.
Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, subscribe our channel.